Hello guys, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of Friday edition. Yeah, Friday, May the 21st, 2021. Yes, actually it's today with Monday, and today there are no paper, there is no newspaper. Because it's with Monday, all the stores are closed, and I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzle in the additional of last Friday, and this baby will be number 2837. All right. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Which number shall I pick? How about the number? Yeah, the number. Which number shall I pick? How about the 3? There are a lot of 3s. But I cannot. 3. 3? No. Yeah. 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 8, 5. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Alright. 4, 9. Okay. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 and a 6 in this column. So no 2 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 2 and the 6 goes in those two boxes. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We see there 4. No. Not 4 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be there or here. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then, yeah. We. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing number in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 1. We have a 2 and a 1 in the middle row. So no 2 and a 1 in those 3 boxes. The 2 and a 1 goes in those 2 boxes. The 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. Okay, so what are those 3 missing numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 9. Yes, 4, 8 and a 9. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 4, 8 and a 9. But I see here 4, 8 and a 9. I see here also 4, 8 and a 9 in this column. 4, 8 and a 9. 1, 2. So the 5, 6 and the 7. 5, no. 5, 7 and 4, 8 and a 9. 5, 7 and 3 are missing. Yes, we have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 3 in the middle row should be there. 4, 8, and the 9. So those 2 boxes are reserved for the 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8, 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 8. I've here 2 and a 1. Now we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. This box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5, and 8. Interesting. 5 and 8. Okay. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. There 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. And 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Alright. 2, 2. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box will be an 8. And that box will be a 2. Alright. Yeah. 2, 6, 6, 2, 6, and a 3. Okay. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yeah. 9, 9. 1, 1, 1, 1. 9, 9, 9. 9. Yeah. I'm scanning. 7, 7. 4, 4, 7, 4, and a 3. 3, 3, and a 7, 3. No, 1. 1. Okay. Okay. Let me fill some numbers. It's taking too long. 1, 2. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, and then 9. 9. Okay. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 8. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1, 2 is missing. And a 4 is missing. 2 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and a 4. 8. 8. Yeah. I need the pairs. 3, 3. 3, 3. Yes. Look. we have 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 8. 1, 3, and 8. And look, we have a 3 and 8 there. So no 3 and 8 in this box. The 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Okay. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. Okay, 1. We have a pair. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the row between, only 2 places for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Same with the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the last, third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1. Could be here, could be there. So 1 number left in the second row for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 there, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this last row, 6 in the row above, so in that row, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the last column for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then 1. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this big square. Here we have 1 and a 9, so these 2 should be the 4 and the 3, 4 and a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing in this column, and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see there 5, no 5 there. So the 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes for the 9. Okay. 8 and a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 5, 5. And 9. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9. Okay. How about those 3 numbers in this big square? The 3 is missing. The 9 is missing. 3, 9. And the 5 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. 5, 5, 8. 8 in this column. 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 3. 3 in this last row. 3 in the row above, so in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below, so in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 2. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 2 and the 4. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, And the 4 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes exactly. Well, let me give this a 1 star. Because I need to be faster than 50 minutes and I've managed to solve this in 50 minutes. So, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third and last puzzle of this Friday edition. So we will meet again. See you then. Bye bye for now.